Hi there, my name is Jenny. I'm an introverted leadership coach. I help introverted leaders get beyond their burnout, step away from the crazy, so that they can be about their purpose. I felt for a long time, being an introvert, working the hamster wheel and in total burnout, that there was something else I was supposed to be doing. And yet I was so exhausted all the time that at the end of the day, all I wanted to do was mainline Netflix. I had nothing left to do anything, it felt like. I started taking some different steps. Bit by bit, piece by piece, energy came back, and I started to see a real shift in how I was able to move about in my world and be able to make a difference in other people's lives. I offer to you the same steps that I do in a workbook fashion that walks you through step by step, one at a time, in a self-guided way so that you can work at your pace. Because as introverts, we just work at a different pace, and that's really okay. But we're also talking about something that is going to require some change. And change does not happen overnight. And I will tell you, this is not a quick fix, because I don't believe in quick fixes, because quick fixes don't actually fix anything. We're talking about a shift here. And although that might sound a little bit scary, it's not, because what's on the other side of that is more energy and more fulfilling, purposeful life. I invite you to look through the page. You can purchase the workbook directly from this page here. When you do purchase, I will be including for you as a bonus an accountability tracker that helps you to keep track on a daily basis so you can see your progress. Not perfection, but progress that's going to get you to a greater change over time and allow you to see better results. I look forward to getting to know you, and if you have any questions, you're certainly welcome to reach out. This is going to be a great adventure together, and I look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.